Alright guys, I'm gonna unbox and do a quick review of Apple Watch Series 5. I got this package last week, but I haven't had a chance to open it. So I'm gonna open this package and do a quick review of this Apple Watch Series 5, and let's see how it goes. So directly from Apple, broke the seal, opening the cardboard box. Apple Watch, look at that. Alright, how do you open this thing? Alright, plastic tab over here. I'm gonna open it up. Yeah, I'm upgrading from Apple Series 2 watch that I had for a while. Never had any issues. A little slow, battery issues, but nothing major. So cardboard box is open. Let's see. Man, this Apple packaging is one of the best. Let's see. Pop this thing open. Open the thing. Alright. So I ordered this red band with this watch to try something new, but I'm probably not end up using it. I bought a separate case for this watch, case and strap. I'm gonna show you guys later that this is Apple Watch packaging. It is let's open this up. More tabs to pull. Let's do this quickly. All right, here we go. Boom. That big box and the small little watch. What is this? All right, that's the whole deal. This little thing wrapped up nicely. How do I open this thing? Just pull it from the shiny. Wow, look at that. This is the aluminum, I guess gray black model. Very, very shiny. A different sensor from the one I had. Of course, it detects your EKG and your heart rate. So very fancy looking. Very, very fancy looking. I like it so far. So let's place it back in the thing. What else came with the box? What is this? How to pair and stuff. Nobody cares about that. Oh, came with a charger. That's neat. And wireless charger included. Charging pad is included. And I guess that's pretty much it. What is in the box? Let me show you guys the case and the band that I bought for this Apple Watch. Before that, I'm gonna unbox the red band that came with this Apple Watch, and we'll go from there. How do you open this thing? Okay, of course. That. Let me pull this red band out. Not a big fan of this. I had to order something, so I chose this. Pull it out of the strap. Take the watch out. Guess doesn't matter which way does it go. Okay, press the button. Done. Not that bad, but I'm not a fan of this thing. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. Love it. It's gonna look super ugly on my hand. I'll take it. I will take it. Let me show you the band that I bought for this Apple Watch Series 5. Alright guys, so this is the case and the strap for the Apple Watch. It's from Suitcase. Alright, let me open this up. It pretty much makes your Apple Watch look like a Casio G-Shock watch kind of deal. And let's take this not so cool looking red band off. I'm probably using my friends or something. Alright. How does it go inside? Everything live. All screw-ups and everything. Oof. Fits like a glove. And I think I hit some button or something, it turned on. That's how it looks. Pretty beefy looking case. We'll definitely need a screen protector. It's gonna get scratched. I'm very sloppy with these watches, and I end up hitting these watches, my hand all over the place. So yeah, it will definitely get scratched, and we'll see about that. It said Apple Watch pairing mode. Yeah, I'll pair this thing in a little bit. But the reason why I bought this watch was for always on retina display. Yeah. So the reason why I bought the Apple Watch Series 5 mainly because of its always on retina display, and you no longer have to move your wrist or twist your wrist to turn the screen on. The screen always stays on, and then screen apparently has an 18-hour battery life that is much more than the older one, and it has a bunch of different watch faces that I really like. You can customize it with based on timer, weather, UV index, audiobook, noise monitor, compass, activity, cycle trainer, etc. And apparently it also it comes in different titanium model that I'm not interested, but this one is aluminum. It uses like a 7000 series aerospace grade aluminum that is exceedingly strong and incredibly light. The same materials used on iPhone XR, and of course the ultra low power display that is also called LTPO, low temperature poly silicon and oxide display features. It kind of works on different refresh rates ranging from 1 Hz to 60 Hz. So pretty cool. Come all together, 18-hour battery life is expected from this watch, and so I'm gonna try it a few days, see how it looks. Pretty much just a text alert is good enough for me. I can preview my text while driving or working. That's a good enough feature for me. Activity tracking and all, it's all gimmick. I think like it's gimmick. I usually end up not using it. I use it for a couple of weeks, and then it's all a toy. It's huge. This watch, it looks huge as compared to where's my G-Shock? Right up there. It does look better once the LED turns on. The display with various color features is gonna look nice. It kind of mirrors, kind of looks similar to the Casio G-Shock look, but way more advanced. I like it, especially with the manly strap like that. For sure I like it. Alright guys, that's about it for this review. See you on the next one. Bye.